Good day, sir. My name is Vincent Trejino from BSINT Mechanical Technology Section 3E, and this is my final exam video for the subject ethics. Question number 1. Should divorce law be legalized in the Philippines? My answer is no. Philippines values marriage as a sacred and lifelong commitment, and legalizing divorce may weaken family values and encourage separation. Question number 2. One of your parents is suffering from stage 4 cancer and will be eventually die in a few days' time. The patient experiences extreme and excruciating pain every time the cancer attacks. Will you give your consent to end the patient's life or not and prolong the pain and agony suffered? Explain. My answer is no. Even the pain is severe, life is more sacred, and ending it intentionally is morally wrong. Care should focus on comfort, love, and pain management until natural death. And that's all, sir. Thank you.